Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen and today we have a rocket Appartamento with us in the shop. And I came in for the issue that the actual power switch was burnt out or broken. It wasn't wanting to flick around, and after opening the machine up, we actually have the original one here. As you can see, this switch is just not wanting to fully click. I had to kind of break it to kind of move it around, but on top of that, all of the connectors were scorched and fried. If I were to grab all these over here, here's just some of them. They're all pretty much scorched and fried. You can see a lot of damage from arcing. So what we did is we redid all of the power wires and then also replaced the power switch. So if you were to flip this machine off or on, it has a nice click to it, and of course everything works as normal. Now we're going to quickly test the machine here. This is actually a grinder that's paired with this machine. Here we go, so we can do it to the shop. So it's really nice to have both of them next to each other to test side by side. We're using test coffee, so don't worry if it runs a little too fast or slow. I tried calibrating it a little bit, but of course there's still a little bit to do. This is roughly around 20-ish grams at a pretty fine setting. Maybe too much actually. That's fine. It's a pretty big basket inside of this pole filter, so nice and even. As you can see, still room for that shower screen. Put this in here, and we're going to brew a shot. So we're going to put this there and just pull the lever. And a shot should come out moderately slow like that and be nice and steady throughout. Probably go a little bit more finer, but yeah. I'm going to stop right there. You can turn on the steam real quick. Steam's really good on this machine just because of the type of drum boiler that the rocket Appartamentos use. And we also, just because we really couldn't find any sort of other issues with the machine from initial testing, and so we didn't recommend a tune-up because when I went inside I did a little extra work trying to figure out if maybe there was a scale issue inside the machine before I turned the machine on, because you have to redo all the wiring to turn the machine on. And what I found is that when I snaked inside of the steam boiler was actually really, really pristine. Heating element was really cleaned. All the walls of the boiler was really clean, and I just really couldn't find any sort of indication that this machine needed a tune-up at this time. So all we did was fix the power switch. Of course, I wiped the machine down and made sure everything was working well. I also just, while I was in there, I replaced the gasket on the vacuum release valve so you don't, find yourself leaking steam throughout the top. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.